Okay, you guys, sorry the music is so loud in the back, but this is going to be episode 2 of my redecorating series. Today we are seriously like packing and getting rid of things, so I'm just going to take you around my room and show really quick what has been going on. I already have like some boxes packed up, so I won't show you that, but I'll show you what's going on right now. So my closet is basically empty, like all these clothes are gone. Still have to pack up like all that stuff, and obviously I'm working on all of this stuff. So yeah, it's a work in progress, but I'm getting somewhere. And then these are all the clothes that I still have to pack. Hangers are everywhere. And this is what my room looks like right now. So I just packed up all my books. All of my drawers are basically empty. Those are all the socks that need matches. And I packed up like a lot of my picture frames and stuff. And then those are blankets that are ready to go. And those are more clothes that have to be packed. But yeah, that's what's going on. Good morning, you guys. It is a couple days later from like the previous clip that you saw, but we are out and about running some errands this morning. I have Tiki with me. If you can see her little head back there. We are out and about running some errands, and then I have a huge list of things I have to do, and then we have a vet appointment at 2:30, and then I have facials tonight at 6. So yes, we're gonna take you guys along, and hopefully we're gonna be productive today. I didn't get that much done on Monday, so today I really got to get a lot of stuff done. Our first stop today is delivering products, and then we're gonna go to Dunkin' and have to return a red box maybe. So I really don't have that many errands to run, but I just figured I'd do it all at one time. So it is about 1:43. I'm gonna quick show you guys what I've gotten done before I go to Tiki's vet appointment. So my room is still a mess, but if you saw the previous clip, it definitely looks a lot better. So I just have like empty boxes. This is dirty laundry. This is a box that needs to be taped, but like all of my eyeshadow palettes and glass foundation bottles and some powders are in that box. That big blue bag, that's all garbage. These are all clothes that are going back to school with me. I haven't even touched that table yet. Basically, all of my drawers are empty. These are all the acrylic things that go in them. My dividers. This bag is going back to school. This bag is for a video. These are like all of my sweatshirts, majority of them. I have some shoes in that bag. Still some clothes that I need to go through. This pile of stuff I'm getting rid of. And then you step back here to my closet. Still a mess. Yeah, the ground is a mess. But I am working on getting all of my hanging clothes in garbage bags. I saw this on Pinterest and I used it when I moved into college. And it really helps. So if you guys are moving or you're moving into college, I highly suggest taking a garbage bag. It has to be the ones with drawstrings on it. But then you put all your clothes into the garbage bags, and then you take the drawstrings and like circle them around the tops of the hangers so that you can just like literally pick it all up, move it, and then when you get to wherever you're moving to, you just cut off the ties, take off the garbage bags, and you don't have to worry about like rehanging any of your clothes because they're already hanging. I have some dresses back there. That's all empty up there. That's becoming empty. I still have like this whole cubicle thing to go through. So, oh, and I emptied out my shoe pockets. I think I'm going to get rid of these pairs of shoes right here, but like this is all empty. So I still have a lot to do, but I feel like I'm making some progress. And yeah, now I have to take Tiki to her vet appointment, and then I will come back and keep going. So we were supposed to have facials tonight. My guests were not able to make it anymore, and I think it was the same with everybody else. So now we're just going to the studio to do some training, and we get to wear casual clothes. And I'm wearing an old dance t-shirt because literally like all of my clothes are packed away and I have nothing else to wear. So that's what I have going on tonight. And when I get back, oh, the lighting's not that good. When I get back, I will show you guys the progress that I made in my room. Again, it's really like you can't even really tell the difference because it's not substantial, but I can tell the difference, and I think that is the biggest thing. Okay, you guys, it is Saturday night. And I basically finished packing to go back to school from spring break, and now I am packing like all the rest of the clothes and stuff I have left, like in my drawers and stuff, in a suitcase. So here's the suitcase. Um, this is a pile of clothes right over here. And then I think I have like a couple of drawers that still have to be emptied. So that's what I'm working on right now, and I will show you guys when I'm done. Okay, you guys, so this is the current situation. Majority of all of these drawers are empty. There's like, I think the bottom drawer still has some stuff in it, maybe like one of the middle drawers. All these drawers are empty except for that one. All those drawers are empty. All this stuff on top. This bag is coming back with me to school, but the rest of the stuff I need to figure out what to do with. Put that in there. That stuff under there I gotta do something with. That's my outfit for tomorrow. It's laid out. This bag is coming back to school with me. This is all garbage. That's for a video. This is, I know it doesn't look empty, but everything that was on here before is packed. So I just have that stuff left to pack. This I have to still touch. But like my watch, all my vitamins, and those 2 lotions are coming back to school with me. So that's basically going to be, I don't know, not cleared off, but more clean. My bed. And then this is my dance bag and some shoes that I need to go through. These are 2 shirts that I think I'm going to get rid of, but I don't know for sure. My roll-up bag is coming with me tomorrow. My robe's going to stay there. That's empty. This is a mess. I know it doesn't look like it. Jewelry, I'm in the process of packing. This is coming back with me. Hairbrush needs to be packed. Ear cleaning stuff needs to be packed. Packed. I don't know what to do with that. Change jar is probably going to stay here. All of these drawers are empty. All those drawers are empty. And then this is ready to be moved. I need to figure out how to pack the stuff on the top. And then this big suitcase right here just kind of has like some clothes in it and some shoes. That's pajamas that I'm going to wear tonight because literally all my clothes are packed. And this is basically empty, like the top part, you know, besides my TV. All of these drawers are empty. Empty. Curtains are going to have to come down and that stuff. I still need to pack. I have a purse and 2 cameras, and my filming stuff still needs to be packed up. Basically all of my shoes are packed. I think I'm going to get rid of these 3 pairs. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. Closet is still a work in progress, but it's definitely emptier than it was the last time you guys saw it. So all of my clothes are hanging up in garbage bags, which I already told you about, except for that skirt and that top because those are only 2 things. So I'm going to have to find more stuff to put with that so I can pack it. All my belts, I haven't even touched that either. This is ready to go out. I just literally threw all my extra hangers and extra trash bags like down here on the floor because I just hate hangers. They're so annoying. My Uggs still have to be packed, and then like all of this stuff still has to be packed. That's my knee brace in that box. But basically it doesn't look like I have a lot done, but I really think I have a lot done. So yeah, that's what I am still working on, but I think I've like reached my limit for the night. My face feels like it's burning up. Like, and I'm not hot. Like, I feel fine, but my face just feels like super warm. But I'm sure I'm fine. I'm just being, you know, over dramatic. But anyway, it seems like I have a lot of stuff left to pack, but I really don't think I do. And it's like really weird stuff that like I don't even know how to pack. So yeah, that's what I got going on. I don't even know. Oh, I do know. All of my dance stuff still needs to be packed. I didn't even think about that. So, trophies, medals, pictures, that kind of stuff. So I guess I have a lot more left to do, but it doesn't feel like I do, so we will see.